Wetin be this? No be noodles be this? Oh, noodles get color? My brother, oyibo dey chop plenty plenty things as the noodles get different color. How will a noodles be different color? Can you eat this? Please tell me. Now this is oh boy, where they collect this kind oil before? Na from pig? Na pig edelede be this? Wetin be this? This one na error. Is a meat wey get color. Oh god, all these oyibo people they can't dey fry the meat. What kind meat? Which kind animal get this kind type of meat? I know they understand. Now they use tomato for this their noodles. They are slicing the tomato. They no slice and finish. What is this? This it be like they see they fry that their meat where I don't know the name. So which they fry tomato inside, add pepper, add garlic, add we put they cook some orishi way we don't know. What is all this? They can't add the noodles. They won't do jollof colored noodles. This kind of noodles you know if you find that for Africa. Now if you go their land, this their white land, jollof colored noodles. Now they won't share. Wetin be this one? They salt. You don't cook this kind of noodles before. Or noodles day for this life. Now you add it up with some garbages and lettuces. These people no go off me. But this it be like say it go sweet though. It be like say it go sweet. What do you think? What do you think in the comment? Do you think this is a very nice food you can try out? They've given you the recipe. It's easy. You get colored noodles, maybe like rainbow, different colored noodles. You get tomatoes, you get lettuce, you get pepper, you get oil, fried oil, you get special meat. Let's say na pig meat. I don't know which kind of meat be that one. Then you just mix it and fry it and do and say you want to do spaghetti. As the way you cook spaghetti, you cook these noodles that same way. And it be like say it is sweet because see as the man they chop palm, he pack plenty for even this old man. See the plenty they know they fats. Where all this food where they chop they go. You can't be eating like this and you're not fat. You can't tell me I need to borrow this that kind of body because if I chop this kind of food where they chop, if I try now inside hospital Igbobi, I go land. This man don't finish. Yes, this man go reach 60, 70 years old. They chop this kind plenty food. Oh my goodness. These people their belly get as their belly be. I don't understand. Tell me, have you tasted this kind of food before? Tell me in the comment section. Subscribe if you never subscribe for more videos like this.